How to create a data frame of random integers with pandas. I know that if I use random, gives me what I am looking for, but with elements from a normal distribution. But what if I just wanted random integers? Randint works by providing a range, but not an array like random does. So how do I do this with random integers between some range?
numpy.random.randint accepts a third argument, size, in which you can specify the size of the output array. You can use this to create your data frame. Here, np.random.randint 0 or 100 size surface 104 creates an output array of size 104 with random integer elements between 0 or 100. Demo, which produces
The recommended way to create random integers with number py these days is to use number py.random.generator.integers. Documentation.
You can also use np.random.generator.choice. The advantage of this method over integers is that you can choose from any list/array you want. For example, if you want to generate random sample from 2, 5, 10, then you can even associate a probability distribution to sample entries. For example, if you want to choose 2 with p equals 0.8 and 5 with p equals 0.2, you can do so by passing p equals argument. Also, with the generator, choice is as fast as integers and faster than randint.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.